So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Greek yogurt, and we're going to make this a lot higher protein than it already is. When you go, you're going to want to buy some light Greek yogurt. It's going to have 0 fat. It's going to have only 10 grams of carbohydrates and 14 grams of protein. This one right here is the vanilla, but you can go with plain. Anything will be better than to have fat in it. First, you're going to want a food scale. I just bought this off of Amazon. Cost about, I don't know, 10 bucks. And to start off, you're going to put your bowl and put in 1 serving, which is going to be 90 calories. It's 170 grams, so if you're trying to keep track of your calories, make sure to have a food scale. And I'm going to do 320. So just under 2 servings. Next, I'm going to add some protein. I'm going to add chocolate fudge, rule 1. So now you have the 14 grams of protein from the yogurt, and then I'm adding another 24 grams and 1 scoop of protein. And mix all this together. Now once you have all this together, you can just have it just plain, just like this, or you can add some fruit. And since I have chocolate, I like chocolate with strawberries. So I already cut up a thing of strawberries, and I have them here, and I'm just going to add in some strawberries to this. So now you got some chocolate yogurt with some strawberries. It's a very delicious snack when you're just trying to eat something quick and easy, and you want to get something that's going to really help with your cravings for sweets. This is going to do it right here. You're only going to get, I added 2 servings, so 180 calories plus 130 calories. Not too bad. It's going to fill you up, and it has tons of protein when you're trying to put on that muscle, or just eating protein just to keep you nice and full. So if you like this, again, please leave a comment below. Let me know about any other future videos you would like me to try to create. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell button. Thank you. Have a great day.